Media as force multiplier for change have hiramda editor skill Manipur the director of environment and climate change na Sindra Nomuba media workshop singing the labor hotel classic grand data found to Taramoda to be meeting in forest and environment forest environment and climate change the principal secretary Arun Kumar Sinha Manipur su inga sai khalda sauna ahong balakpana tungi mirul singi khalaga ngasi mirul na climate change tagi ngak thona bigi da bakhona bina basangi technology ki lamda lakliba ahong wasina maram oiraga akoi bagi saktamda sokhan bigi basak oirakli landam asida su hana oiram daba maungda hauki basahi kal asida ainga sa odarakpa matam sada naturel imai kangba nong subagi sangda ahong balakpa madi matam sada na isaw madi kang thokpagi thodok sing tholakli haiki Principal Secretary asuna makha taratuna landam asigi kaitharakliba khallasi menkhanaba directorate asigi maikei dekisu tongan tongan thabak thorom sing paikhatuna lakli maroina National Adaptation Fund for Climate Change ki makhada eco model carbon positive village project paikali Government of India ki rooftop solar project ki makhada Jenims Hospital da solarization project paikali e-mobility project paikhatuna electric auto humphumanga yenthokre makhatana solar energy sizinaduna mai puthona ba thorang sing paikali state climate change cell hangdopagi mathata state asigi district kuting makta automated weather station thamdana amadi media sing fellowship piduna koibi khal kanna bhonari mausai khal kaitar pagi mami sawnga tarabasu mioi kayadi uragli ba hongba si thoina maru oina lawdi haina nungnangba phongdokhi
and making people understand that yes, this is an issue that we really have to think about. We have to think about our future generation and what exactly we are going to leave for them, for the future generation. So it's very apt subject that media is a force multiplier. We need you and your services are really required in making people understand. Of course, technical people will be telling you, but there will be lots of technical things which a common man may not understand. So it's your duty that put it to the people in terms of very simple language, what people understand. Not, of course, technical people will give you a very highly technical input, which the people in general may not understand. So your role as a reporter from the field and as an editor, when you are finally writing to the newspaper and you are disseminating to the public, the language is very, very important.
Nakalamurumda Tharomoti ki nungi warol piraduna Israel General Secretary Thausu Puriba Impact News ke Editor in Chief Rupachandra Yumnamna Ainga Sagi Kalkaitari Lebasi Maling Oi Bisu Mani Masagi Saiting as in Tina Sienaba Ngamba Pabalenga Malaitrabadi Kayong issue solution Magamloi Haiki Mana Makataraduna issue sida losing makuting maki puning sang sinuma matau tarakpana media ki katangai fata bathodang sangi media na miyang gi mapam da ipaw yohon mangamba madi miyang gi wakalon bu lengak ta yohon baki amatangara pampak oibena workshop si pangtok ni haina phongtoki workshop hodopki tharamda Israel President Kogendra Khondram Environment and Climate Change ki Director Dr. T. Kumar Amzu ki President Bijoy Kakshing Thapa Mamadi Manipur Hill Journalist Union ki President Peter Adani yauna print and electronic media ki paumi sing nasaruya ki Senior Journalist A. Mobina Moderator ohi workshop aduki technical session da MG Economics Department retired Professor E. Bijoy Kumar na Climate Change na Economy da Piba Sapu Infal Review of Arts and Politics ki editor Pradip Panjopamna Media amadi Climate Change amadi Environment and Climate Change ki Director Dr. Kumar na State Climate Policy habe hiram sida resource person oina wangang ke
What is important is that whatever we write, whatever we speak, whatever opinions that we put forward is not just for mere consumption. It needs to be turned into an action. And who better to turn into action than the government? If the government fails to turn it into action, then our another job is to hold it to account. So the media is there to inform, which is what the Prime Minister has been emphasizing on. You may perform, but if you don't inform what you perform, then it will have different meaning in the ground.